Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, you are going to learn that how you can use BlueSky application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. The first thing you need to do is to download and install BlueSky application on your device, which you can see I already did. The next step is to create an account on BlueSky application. If you don't know how to create an account, I have a separate video. You can find the link of that video in the description below as well. So once you're done, you need to open the application. This is the first interface that you will see. It is quite familiar with the old Twitter application. So the first thing I want you to do is to tap on the home button right at the bottom, as you can see. Then you need to tap on the three lines here. From here, you will see your name here, your profile. You can search from here as well, anything that you want to search inside the application. The next thing is that we are now on the home tab. You can go to your chats as well. There are your notification as well. And then we have feeds, list, profile, and settings as well. So the first thing I want you to go to the profile. And in the profile section, as you can see, you can edit your profile from here. Just tap on edit. From here, you can tap on the camera icon and select a photo. You can upload from the camera or you can upload from the library, and you can create an avatar as well. If you want to remove that profile picture, you can do that. You can change your display name here as well, and you can enter a small description about yourself as well. So once everything you enter, the save option will be highlighted, and you can save those information as well about your profile. So this is how you can edit a profile. So now we are on the profile page. So I want to show you that how you can actually edit a post. So guys, we are back to the home screen here. The next thing you need to do is to tap on this edit option. So this is what you want to post on this application. It looks similar. As you can see, there are 300 characters to the old Twitter. So you have 300 characters here. Maybe in the future they will increase the characters. The next thing is that you can tap on English and you can change the language as well. So there are the languages available here. You can search other as well if you want to add another language. From here you can even add a picture to your post. You can add a video from your library, or you can directly go to your camera, access your camera, and you can do that as well. And the one important thing is that anybody can interact. You can just tap on that one and you can change the privacy settings here as well of your post here, nobody, and you can then just tap on save. So this is how you can create a post, and then when everything is done, you need to just tap on the post and it will be posted. So back to your profile, you need to just tap on here on the green icon. Here you will see your replies. You can see your post, your media, feeds, and everything that you have posted on this application. You can see it here. So back to the home tab, and from here I will go to the menu here again, and from here I will go to the settings, and here you can add another account if you want to. There is your account. You can change your email. You can edit the email as well. You can edit your birthday. You can change your password. Or if you want to deactivate your account or delete your account, you can do it from here as well. So this is the main settings that you want to change. There is a privacy and security as well. If you want to change the language as well, there is. If you want to change the appearance to a dark mode, or you want to change the font size as well, you can change it from here. So this is how it works in the settings option here. So guys, one more thing on the home tab is you can see there is discover and there is the following option. Here they will show you the people that you follow, their post, and all the things that they posted here. You will see it here, but if you tap on discover, you will see which other people are posting. You can tap on the hashtag at the top right corner, and here you will find that you can edit actually the feeds that you want to see. As you can see, these are some of the categories that they want to show you, so you can change it from here as well. So guys, back to the posts here that other people posted. You can like them from here. If you tap on that one, that is repost, just the same thing like the Twitter. You can tap on the reply and you can reply to other people as well. The other thing is that if you tap on the three dots here, and it will this window will pop up, and you can see you can translate it, you can copy the text, you can share this post to other people, and you can report this post as well. You can find the option just at the bottom. So guys, at the bottom menu, as you can see, you can tap on the search. You can search here anything that you want to search. The next thing is that if you tap on here, so these are your messages. So you will find if somebody sent you a message, if you send somebody's message, you will find them here as well. And there is a bell icon. If you tap on that one here, you will find the notification. If you post something, somebody like it, repost it, or the people started following you, you will find everything here as well. So guys, this is it. This is how you can use a BlueSky application. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.